Hello guys and welcome back to Chubby Chemistry Studies. So what we'll be looking at today is how to balance combustion reactions. So mainly what we'll be looking at today is combustion reactions that has to do with alkanes. And we all know that alkanes have the general formula CnH2n plus 2. So the first example that we'll be looking at today is butane. So we look how to balance the combustion reaction that has to do with butane. So in the reaction of butane with oxygen, so that is we all know combustion reaction will give us carbon dioxide and water. So in this reaction, the formula we'll be using to balance this combustion reaction goes this way. CxHy plus X plus Y over 4 oxygen in the presence of sunlight, then X moles of carbon dioxide plus Y over 2 H2O. So in this our reaction here, in the combustion reaction of butane, we have 4 atoms of carbon, 10 atoms of hydrogen, and 2 atoms of oxygen. So for us to balance this combustion reaction, here in this equation, this our X represents 4, and this our Y here represents 10. So let's go about it now. So we put in here, so C4H10 plus, like we said earlier, our X represents 4. So 4 plus, and our Y is 10. 10 over 4 oxygen in the presence of sunlight. Like we said earlier, our X is 4. 4 CO2 plus 10 over 2 H2O. So C4H10 plus 4 10 10 over 4 will give us 2.5 moles of oxygen, 4 CO2 plus 5 H2O. So we continue. C4H10 plus 4 plus 2.5, that will give us 6.5 O2, 4 CO2 plus 5 H2O. So for us to be able to remove this decimal, we need to multiply the whole equation by 2. That will give us 2 moles of butane, 6.5 times 2, that will give us 13 moles of oxygen. 2 times 4 will give us 8 plus 5 times 2 will give us 10. That is 10 moles of H2O. So here our reaction is balanced. So that is it, guys. So our second example is octane, and we all know the formula for octane goes like this. So let's try balance combustion reaction for octane. So the reaction should go this way. In the presence of sunlight, that will give us carbon dioxide and water. So using our general formula to balance this equation, C8. So our x is 8, 8 plus our y is 18, 18 over 4 oxygen in the presence of sunlight. Our x is 8, our y is 18, that's 18 over 2 H2O. So we continue. So 18 over 4, 4 will give us 4.5. So that is 8 plus 4.5 oxygen. It's 18 divided by 2 will give us 9. That is 9 H2O. So here, for us to remove this decimal, we should multiply everything by 2. That is 2 moles of octane. Eight plus 4.5 will give us 12.5. 12.5 times 2 will give us 25. 25 moles of oxygen. 2 times 8 will give us 16. 16 moles of carbon dioxide. 2 times 9 will give us 18. That's 18 moles of H2O. So the reaction is balanced now. So we have 16 atoms of carbon, and we have 16 atoms of carbon on the right side. Atoms of oxygen here. We have 50 atoms of oxygen also on the right hand side. So this is how to balance combustion reactions. For the part 2 of this video, please click on my channel and then go for the part 2 of the video on how to balance combustion reactions that has to do with alkanes. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I love you guys. Till your boy Chubby.